Sort 20 already is the sort that we are on today. So in sort 20, we're talking about short O and long O sounds. So we're reviewing our short O and our long O with our CVCE, and then we're talking about CVVC, and then we also have an open syllable, which means like the end of the word sound. So we have short O sound, which is the sound that we learn when we first learn, oh, what sound does O make? And that's like an ah sound, like in long, And then we'll talk about our CVCE, our long O. So that's the O sound that we would hear. And in CVCE words like the word globe, there's that O sound, globe. Now, today we're also going to talk about some CVVC words that have the two letters, the two vowels that are going to make the long O sound are OA. So we see that in words like roast, roast, okay? And then we also have a long O at the end of words that we hear that's OW, and OW can make an O sound. It can also make an OW sound, like in the word cow or how, but for today we're going to talk about how it makes a long O sound, like in the word show. So we've got O at the end there. Now our oddball in this sort is the word whose. And that's because we're kind of getting like an ooh sound, like we would see in a word that has two O's. But instead, that's not what we're seeing when we hear it. This looks like it should be a word that would go under a CVCE category because it has our E at the end. Here's our vowel here, but that's not how we say that word. We don't say woes, woes. That's not how we say it. We say this word whose. So that is our oddball in this sort.